Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Monster High Monster Ball Clawdeen Wolf doll. I got this doll from the Polsmart store and I'll leave a link down below to their website. The packaging is shaped like a disco ball with spiderwebs on it. In the corner, there's a picture of Clawdeen, Laguna, Draculaura, and Cleo. Here's the sides and the back, which has a full body picture of Clawdeen, as well as a little description at the bottom. Now let's open her up. First, let's start with her accessories. She comes with 3 plastic balloons that are all connected. She does, however, have a little bit of trouble carrying it. She also comes with a donut rack where the donuts are not removable, and the stand is shaped like a tombstone. She also comes with a donut on a plate, and all the donuts have a crescent moon shape on it. She also comes with a little compact that can open. Lastly, she comes with a paperboard card with her, Draculaura, and Laguna on it. Now, let's get to the doll. The doll has really detailed black and purple shoes with crescent moons all over it and spikes. Going up, she has a purple satin suit with crescent moon ribbon detail with gold thread. She also has gold crescent moon shapes as buttons. Her shirt is a gold crop top with a leopard print on it. Her blazer has poofy sleeves and a black collar. She also has a black bow tie. She comes with a crescent moon purse with spikes on the top that can open. And moving up to her face, she has pink and purple lips with purple makeup. She has 2 purple crystal earrings in one ear and 1 gold crescent moon earring in the other. There's also a spiked bracelet over her bun. Her hair is dark brown, purple, and has gold tinsel in it, and definitely needs a little bit of TLC out of the packaging. The doll is fully articulated with movement at the head, chest, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. And that's it. I'll also leave a link down below to my review of the Monster Ball Draculaura doll as well. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!